This tea has a fascinating ability to change color when mixed with acidic ingredients. For example, adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of lime juice can transform its color from blue to purple or even pink. This color-changing property is due to the interaction between the anthocyanin pigments in the tea and the pH of the liquid. It adds an element of surprise and fun to the tea drinking experience and makes it a popular choice for creative cocktails and culinary creations. Welcome to the world of Butterfly Pea Tea, also known as Blue Pea Tea or Blue Ternate tea, a caffeine-free herbal tea made from the flowers of the butterfly pea plant, Blue Ternate. The plant is native to Southeast Asia and is known for its vivid blue flowers. The tea has gained popularity not only for its striking color, but also for its potential health benefits and versatility in culinary applications. In this video, we'll be doing a deep dive into the rich history, cultural significance, and health benefits of butterfly pea tea. So here are some key points about butterfly pea tea. Butterfly pea tea, also known as blue pea tea, is a drink that has enchanted people across Southeast Asia for generations. Its striking blue hue, derived from the petals of the butterfly pea flower, is just the beginning of its fascinating story. Historically, butterfly pea tea has deep roots in traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda in India and Thai folk medicine. The vibrant blue flowers were prized for their therapeutic properties, believed to promote vitality, enhance cognitive function, and even alleviate stress. It was commonly used as a tonic or herbal remedy for various ailments. In India, butterfly pea tea is revered for its Ayurvedic properties, believed to balance the body's doshas and promote overall wellness. Its presence in traditional ceremonies and practices underscores its cultural significance. Beyond its medicinal uses, butterfly pea tea has also been used in culinary traditions throughout Southeast Asia. In Thailand, for example, the tea is often used as a natural food coloring agent for traditional dishes such as blue rice, keo kan chin, and blue desserts. It is also used to add color and flavor to beverages, sweets, and savory dishes. In recent years, butterfly pea tea has gained popularity beyond Southeast Asia, thanks in part to its striking color and potential health benefits. It has become sought after in wellness circles and specialty tea markets worldwide, leading to its availability in various forms, such as loose-leaf tea, tea bags, and powdered extracts. Today, you'll find butterfly pea tea infused into cocktails, baked goods, and even skincare products, captivating a new generation with its allure and versatility. As for its benefits to the body and mind, butterfly pea tea is packed with antioxidants that offer a myriad of potential health benefits. Anthocyanins, the natural pigments responsible for the tea's mesmerizing blue color, are potent antioxidants known to combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. Butterfly pea flowers have lots of ternatins, which are antioxidants. These ternatins not only make the flowers colorful, but also help reduce swelling and stop cancer cells from growing. There are also other antioxidants in these flowers that help, like camphorol, which fights cancer, pea coumarin acid, which helps with swelling and fights germs, and delphinidin 3,5-glucoside, which boosts our immune system and fights cancer. For centuries, butterfly pea tea has been revered in traditional medicine systems for its holistic healing properties. In Ayurveda and Thai folk medicine, it's been used as a tonic to boost vitality, alleviate stress, and support mental clarity. In Ayurvedic medicine, the butterfly pea flower is famous as a brain-boosting herb. People have been using it for a long time to improve memory, ease anxiety and depression, help with ADHD, stress, and even Alzheimer's. This flower works its magic because it contains a special compound called acetylcholine, which is great for memory and keeping the brain healthy. Research shows that drinking tea made from this flower can help with problems like stress-related ulcers and symptoms of brain-related disorders, giving relief to those who need it. Besides helping our brains, butterfly pea tea is also good for our eyes. The flower has something called anthocyanin, an antioxidant that boosts blood flow to the eyes. This can help with problems like glaucoma, retinal damage, blurry vision, and tired eyes. It even improves night vision and keeps eyes safe from harm. The butterfly pea flower is really good at helping keep blood sugar levels steady because it can stop the body from taking in too much glucose. Research suggests that this flower can also protect cells and help prevent diabetes. For instance, a study found that when 15 men drank tea made from this flower, their antioxidant levels went up and their blood sugar and insulin levels went down. The same results were seen in rats in another study when compared to rats that didn't get the flower tea. Butterfly pea tea is also helpful for the digestive system. Its anti-inflammatory powers can calm stomach muscles, easing feelings of nausea and indigestion. Plus, it has anthelmintic properties that stop harmful bacteria from growing. In recent years, scientific interest in butterfly pea tea has surged, with researchers uncovering its potential applications in modern medicine. Emerging research suggests that butterfly pea tea may offer promising benefits, from enhancing cognitive function to protecting against chronic diseases. How to prepare butterfly pea tea at home. Ingredients: dried butterfly pea flowers or butterfly pea tea bags, water. Optional: sweeteners such as honey or sugar, lemon or lime wedges for color. Changing effect: start by boiling water in a kettle or pot. You'll need approximately 1 cup of water for each serving of tea. If you're using dried butterfly pea flowers, place a handful of flowers, about 2-3 teaspoons, into a teapot or mug. If using tea bags, simply place 1 tea bag into your cup. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, carefully pour it over the dried butterfly pea flowers or tea bags. Let the tea steep for about 5-7 minutes to allow the flavors and colors to fully infuse into the water. Adjust the steeping time based on your preference for strength. After steeping, strain the tea if using loose flowers or simply remove the tea bags. Pour the brewed butterfly pea tea into cups or mugs. Add sweeteners or lemon lime. Butterfly pea tea has a mild flavor, so you can add sweeteners like honey, sugar, or even a splash of coconut milk if desired. For a fun color-changing effect, squeeze a few drops of lemon or lime juice into the tea and watch it transform from blue to purple or pink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your homemade butterfly pea tea. Feel free to experiment with different flavor additions or serve it over ice for a refreshing iced tea version. Remember, the beauty of butterfly pea tea lies not only in its stunning color, but also in its versatility. Get creative and have fun exploring different ways to enjoy this unique and enchanting beverage. While butterfly pea tea is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, there are a few considerations and potential side effects to be aware of. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may have allergies to flowers in the Fabaceae family, which includes the butterfly pea plant. If you have known allergies to legumes or other flowering plants, exercise caution when trying butterfly pea tea for the first time and monitor for any adverse reactions. Interactions with medications. As with any herbal remedy, butterfly pea tea may interact with certain medications or medical conditions. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding butterfly pea tea to your diet. Staining. Butterfly pea tea has a potent natural pigment that can stain clothing, surfaces, and teeth. Be cautious when handling the tea, especially if you're wearing light-colored clothing or using delicate surfaces. If the tea stains your teeth, it's usually temporary and can be removed by brushing or rinsing with water. Digestive issues. While rare, some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or upset stomach, when consuming butterfly pea tea, particularly if they have sensitive digestive systems. If you experience any discomfort after drinking butterfly pea tea, consider reducing the amount consumed or discontinuing use. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution when consuming herbal teas, including butterfly pea tea. While there's limited research on the safety of butterfly pea tea during pregnancy and breastfeeding, it's best to err on the side of caution and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your diet. Overall, while butterfly pea tea is generally considered safe for most people, it's essential to be mindful of potential allergic reactions, interactions with medications, and other side effects. As with any herbal remedy, it's always a good idea to listen to your body and seek guidance from a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or experience any adverse reactions. Have you ever tried butterfly pea tea? If so, comment below and let us know your thoughts on this unique drink. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness. Until next time.